Today we'll see work from home in Madhya Pradesh. Firstly, we'll see job descriptions. See, your job role is virtual Amazon game specialist. Job type full time or seasonal. Location Madhya Pradesh. We'll see job responsibility. For example, a customer playing a game. During playing a game, if they're facing some problems or if they're facing some issues, they will raise a queries. So you need to reach through phone or chat or email to customer. So you need to try to resolve their problems, or you need to give some concerns, or you need to contact through this chat or email or other channels to customer. Okay, and for this role, you need gaming knowledge and gaming skills you need, and preferred qualifications. Here are these are all the preferred qualifications. Means if you have these qualifications, they will choose you first. Hardcore gamer first. Second is extensive MMO RPG experience, multi-platform gaming experience, experience moderating community form. And technical requirements, we'll see technical requirements. Very simple: internet required and 6-hour power backup. It's required, mandatorily required. And we'll see job qualifications. Minimum age 18-year old, have right to India, strong communication skill in English, both written and oral fluent. You should be able to speak in English and you should be able to write in English. Experience working with a computer. You should be having experience in computer, like how to handle the computer. You should know. And availability, like you should be ready to work in shift wise, and you should be ready to willingness one town to another town, and you should be ready to work early or late or overnight or weekend. So you should be ready to work anytime, and you will need a quiet place, and you need a desk and a chair. So you need to keep a separate place for work, and that place should be a quiet. And anyway, you need internet for this job because this is work from home job. So you need a strong internet connection. And come to hiring process. A very simple hiring process, like as you know, job applications. First you need to apply job, like tap apply button here. See, it will trigger to this page. You can see game specialist Madhya Pradesh. Role will be game specialist, and you see all the details. I already explained the details. And tap I accepted, and tap continue button and fill the form. It will apply, and we'll see after apply what you need to do. After apply, as you know, there will be a general questions and screening questions. General questions will be very generic, and screening questions will be they will display some essays or some English related sentence. You should be read quickly, and you should be write quickly. So they will display 1 or 2 minutes. After that, you should they will ask to write or read again. They will give same 1 or 2 minutes, and you should be ready to do quickly these things. After this, they will give work assessment uh, related to role, and they will give higher orientations, your role higher orientations. And finally, day one, your first day at Amazon. Thank you guys. Subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like the video, share the video. We'll see you on next video. Thank you.